Get a load of this sound. You can hear it clear to the dang YMCA. As crazy as that is. Got a vehicle going. I'll go ahead and do a walk around. You can go ahead and decide for yourself. See, sonotopography and sonolets. I didn't bring up the frequency scanner on it, but yeah. I can't quite do both, so I'd have to get my other phone so I can do both. Here's where we can get the best. Lights on in front of the page. Just listen. Well, they finally shut it off. What's really cool is that this whole section here acts like a sound wall. Nice and quiet. In fact, the only place you can actually hear anything is from up there. Now, you know that white noise amplifies ambient speech within a, what, basically, it's like a 7,000 hertz range. And sometimes more than that. So, it's quite interesting. Anyway, I'm still waiting for the mail. So this is nice and quiet here. I wish I could show you the sono logs for it at the same time. That's what a new device is for. See, that whole sound pattern gets bounced off through all of this, through a hollow building that's going to cause this whole thing to act like a little subwoofer. And then every AC unit on this is going to add in white noise with constructive and deconstructive wave decay, or fucking hell is it called in the audio range. I'm thinking physics. Audio constructive or oh well. So something as simple as a TV amplified with a couple of white noise sources like a fan or a hairdryer and you have a subwoofer going right on, like boof, 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 little boof, boof, or even go woo, 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 woo. And next thing you got is a sono amplifier. Now, the Europeans, the Canadians, and the Russians all have satellites that can shoot down sound bubbles like an iron curtain. Don't know what the Americans have. I know that they fucked around with the God weapon and electronic voice-to-skull technology. But that actually only works in your hearing canal or nasal passageways at best. Sorry if that was classified information. Because no one's fucking giving me a debriefing on this bullshit.